Good afternoon, everybody. This is RC Mechanic. I'm just going to show you some of the things that we got going on for this year. Okay, I'm going to start at the outside, move my way in. Right here we have, well, I ordered these by mistake. They're rear shock hoops for the Gelande or the Sport Cruiser. I didn't mean to, but I did. They got two sets of them. I'm sure I'll use them on something. And then they got some front shock hoops for the Gelande. I'm going to use those on the Trailfinder 2s to give a little bit more travel up and down with the suspension. So many light kits. I have several trucks I want to put lights in, and these are for the Sport Cruiser body set. I felt that, you know, they would give enough lights for the projects I have going on that you'll see later in this year. So they're pretty cheap. I mean, they're about, like, I don't know. Normally I make my own light kits, wire them up myself, the whole bit. But in this case, I thought it would be better, as far as production wise, to get just these. And I think I have one more set in my box out there. And so it leaves us with 5. We'll use them. Alright. Normally, I go ahead and I order, you know, a bunch of servos and things like that. But I still have several speed controllers, motors. I have the Hobby Wing Quick Run all-in-one motor ESC combos, and so I didn't order any of them. I may order. What I have is 1800 kV, which would probably be good for, like, say, this truck right here. I have different plans for this. We have not even run this yet, but there's some things about it I didn't like drivetrain wise, so we're probably going to go ahead and do something different with that. This one here, this is a bumper I bought for the Sport Cruiser. It's a CC hand, really well made. I think it'll work out really good for that. And to complement it, I got the big Warn winch right here. Okay. No, I didn't get the controller for it. I will need to do that, but as far as you know, looks wise, I think, you know, it'll actually look really good on that Toyota Sport Cruiser. All right. And we got some shocks. Got some 90 millimeter. I got some 70 millimeter. Probably should have bought a set of 80s. But these were actually they're actually coming down a lot on price lately. So, you know, I picked up a full set of these. Okay, so next up I have some metal badging right here for the Sport Cruiser, Toyota for the back and for the grill, and what does it say, Land Cruiser there. And we're going to be doing more. As you can tell, we're going to be doing a little bit more with that truck, given all the stuff I bought here. So, and this here CC hand flatbed is for the extended cab Toyota. And before I end this video, I just want to set it up on there and see what it's going to look like. I was thinking about actually making my own, but after seeing this, I felt that, you know, this was probably a good investment. a lot of times I like to make my own stuff, so, and we're going to have a lot of fabrication going on this year anyway, so it's very well made. Comes with the lights and everything right here. Light buckets. Oh, we have some thumb screws, and as usual with RC World, there's no instructions. Looking at the bottom side, as you can see, everything is really, you know, well made. You have to take my word for it. I'm sure the camera won't show this, but it is pretty well constructed and welded. So let me go ahead and grab that truck, and we'll throw it on the back of it and see what it looks like. Alright, so this here did not exactly turn out the way I wanted it to as far as paint wise goes, but I'm not giving up on it. I mean you can say it's, you know, something that some guy just built on a really low budget, and that's what we ended up with. We'll go ahead and throw this on the back of it. This isn't exactly made for this truck, but there are things I can do to make this work. I can extend the wheelbase a bit, because this is not made to have an extended cab, right? So we can extend the lengths, pull this wheel back to about at the center, about right here, and I'm thinking that'll look alright once it's all together. Actually looks like I could probably do something. Yeah, there's not much travel here, so we're going to be doing some shock work to it. We're going to be doing some link work to it. We're going to pull it all back together, and it looks like otherwise it'll fit pretty good. It's sitting a little low right now. Let's see. Yeah, so let's say if we put it right there and I extend them links, there's plenty of drive shaft, so yeah, I'm thinking that'll work out. Alright, so this one right here is the RGT Racing Jeep that I bought this body for. Actually, the wheelbase looks about right. We have to shorten it on that one. Once that body's down where it's supposed to be, should be a lot better. One of our next projects right here, or for this year, is this truck right here. The reason why is because, well, I have a Cherokee out in the barn right now, but I would really like to have a Comanche pickup version of that. I guess you could call this the mini-me of that. So I guess I may end up maybe putting this here on that, and then go ahead and make a flatbed for the other one anyway. Alright everybody, I'm going to end this video. My brain hurts now. So what would you do? Go ahead and flatbed this one, flatbed the other one. What would you do? I'm at a loss at the moment. So this is RC Mechanic. Remember to like, subscribe, keep building, keep fixing, fabricate, and create. That's what I'm trying to do right now. My brain's just not working. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next round.